This is affordable, this is powerful, this is consistent. You don't need to be rich to invest, but you gotta be investing to get rich. All right, so right now, think about this, y'all. The bottom 50% of Americans own 0 stocks. Nothing. They are drowning in credit card debt, they're drowning in bills, they have bad spending habits, and they can't manage their money. I'm not faulting you for that because that's what the system wanted. Now, the next top 10%, think about this. They own almost everything. They own 88% of stocks, equities, cash-producing pieces of ownership inside of companies. And then there's the next 40%, which own 12% of stocks. So if you feel pressure, then you should. It's designed that way. You've been locked out of the system, so you think. But here's the part that nobody don't tell us, and I'm gonna be honest with you, that you can play the game. And so you don't need a lot of money, which is what they tell you do, and which the people around you tell you do. Man, you need a lot of money, but you do need a plan. The plan is the most essential part. In this video, I wanna give you a plan. Not only do I wanna give you a plan, I want to give you a blueprint to help you make the transition, because I cannot on my watch allow you to miss out on this great opportunity. So I'm gonna show you how to fix your money habits, I'm gonna show you how to get out of debt, and I'm gonna show you how to start investing even if you feel behind. That's what this video is gonna do for you today. So this is not theory, this is truly how you take control. And you're gonna do it step by step. Now, before we get into the rest of this video, I want you to like, I want you to subscribe and share this out. And please help this video get 2,000 likes, y'all. That help us speed up in the algorithm. Let's get to it. The first thing we gotta do is take back control. That's essential, it's non-negotiable, we gotta do it. Now, most people truly think that they broke, and I'm gonna be real with you, broke is just a mindset that you have. And I know you looking at it like, no, Trav, I'm broke. I would go as far as saying you just mismanaged. I don't think you broke. I think you just mismanaged and you have a broken mindset, but we're gonna fix that. Now, money is leaving out faster than you making it. And you are exhausted financially. And you're stretching one stream of income 19 different ways. So that's truly hard to get out of the hole like that. It's truly harder to build like that. So you do what's called impulsive spending to feel some type of release. But also you have multiple subscriptions that you don't use, you have unnecessary spending, but most you have bad financial hygiene because you got habits that's not benefiting you. These are the things that the wealthy people don't do. These are the ways that you transition. So I'm gonna say something. First thing you gotta realize is you don't need more money, you gotta fix what you have first. That's how we get back control. No, Trap, I need more money. I need more money. Well, more money not gonna fix the situation if you got bad financial hygiene. More money not gonna fix the situation if you got bad spending habits. More money won't fix the situation if you don't have no financial discipline. So we gotta fix that first. So I'm gonna tell you some things that we must do, not some things you should do, not some things you should think about doing. I'm gonna show you some things that you must do because the first thing we gotta do is fix the leaks. We gotta fix the leaks. We gotta fix the leaks. So we pouring money, we pouring financial hydration into leaks. So the first thing we gotta do is, I'm gonna be real with you, we gotta cut all subscriptions. This is gonna be tough. All subscriptions gotta be cut, unnecessary expenses, we gotta do that. Go get you a Fire Stick. You from the hood, you know what I mean by go get you a Fire Stick. You gotta get you a Fire Stick. Pay the one-time price, get it unlocked. You know what I'm saying? Like, I get it, but we gotta get uncomfortable right now so we can be comfortable later. So every dollar that you save is a dollar working for you. So the first thing we're gonna do is, once we start cutting them subscriptions off and once we stop spending unnecessary money, get off DoorDash. Yeah, I know it's easy, try to be cheap. Get off DoorDash, get off Grubhub, get off Uber Eats. Because every dollar that you spending that's not intentional is actually contributing to your financial demise. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up a high yield savings because we done made some extra bread right here. Just by cutting the subscriptions, not doing DoorDash, not doing Uber and all that, we done definitely made, we done put some money into the pot. So the first thing we're gonna do is get this high yield savings. Now, you're gonna get anywhere between 3% and 5% on your bread. Right now, I'm not looking for this to save you. What I'm doing, looking for this to blow some money into your account. I need this to breathe a little life into you. Now, it's not gonna save you, but what it's gonna do is it's gonna help you build up. You're gonna see a little bit of momentum. Just walk with me here. We're gonna walk along the way. The next thing I need you to do is look at all credit cards. We gotta look at all of them. The reason why I gotta look at all of them because this is draining you right here. So first we cut the subscriptions. It's hard right now. We talking about at least a good 18-month run right here, y'all, what we about to do. This is an 18-month run that we got to do, but I promise you, this is going to change the game for us. It's going to change the game for us. So, looking at all our credit cards, and we seeing which one got the highest interest rate. Which one got the highest interest rates? And we're going to start paying that down first. We can't go to war if we in debt like that, right? We can't go to war if we in debt like that, and then credit cards are eating away at your future. So we got to do that. I want you to understand this. Now, I want you to listen when I say this. You cannot build wealth while interest from debt is draining you. It's holding you down. You can't build wealth like that. So this is just tactical stuff we're doing right here. So we're going to see which ones got the highest. So you're going to write down the interest rate you're getting on all your credit cards. The problem is some people don't even know the interest rate on that. So you can't even fix what you don't know you have. You can't even fix what you ain't seeing. You can't fix what you ain't measuring. So you don't know how much the interest rate is eating of the check. You don't know how much. You don't know what's getting automatic drafted out your account. You don't know that. You don't got nothing wrote down. So how you gonna go to a war with no strategy? Your strategy is, I need to make more money. We gotta be strategic so that we can play the game the way we need to play the game. All right, and so what we gonna do is, I know you're like, damn, Trap, I gotta do all that. Watch me here. So we're gonna pick one, and now we got some extra bread. So now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put a little savings in here in this high yield, but not all of it, just a little something. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pay some of this down. Not all of it, we're gonna just pay incremental, pay what we can. Just these three things alone. One, cutting subscriptions and habits. Two, high yield. Three, cutting credit. There's work. Now we 3 steps in right now. Now, here's what we're gonna do. 4, we're gonna invest. And I know you're like, man, Trap, how am I gonna do that? I don't got the money like that. Listen, watch me here. Your first investment, we're gonna invest in this ETF. Now, ETF allows us to have a piece of these great companies without owning them all. So we're gonna go with this ETF right here, CDGV. Right, now this one is a dividend ETF that pays you income and it gives you exposure to strong companies. The top 5 companies is NVIDIA, watch this, Microsoft, Raytheon, Broadcom, and AMAT. Now, all of these are above $180, with the highest one being right at $400. Right, now the 1-year return on this ETF is 40.74%, and the 5-year return on this ETF is bad. It's 85%. Man, that's better than some dang on individual stocks. Now watch this. All 4, current price $44.70. You getting elite companies, you getting a dividend without paying elite prices. Now, here's the goal. The goal is to get 10 shares of this. But Trap, I can't do all that at one time. Nope, you buying 1 share at a time until we get 10. Well, we cutting subscriptions, we paying down debt. Now at $44 a share, we're able to get one and see some progress. So we can get 1 share, pay down some, this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna pay down some debt a little bit, make a payment. All right, next piece of money, buy us a share. Next piece of money, add to our what? High yield. Next piece of money, buy a share. Next piece of money, pay down some debt. Next piece of money, we're gonna keep doing that. Not once, but one by one, y'all. The key to building wealth gonna truly be ownership. And this is how we get it. That's just one step. So now we done did 5 things so far. We did 5 things so far to help us in this type of time. Don't measure yourself for nobody else. Don't do none of that. This is where everything changes for us. This is how stuff changes. Because now you stop spending money and then you start deploying money. Oh, man. You stop spending money, you start deploying. It's a different thing. You spending money, you making somebody else rich. You deploying money, you making you rich. It's two different things we're doing here, right? So money is no longer leaving you, it's working for you. All right, so that's what we're doing right here, right? So that's next on the list. Now the next thing on the list is we're gonna go for another ETF. Man, Trap, why you got me with the ETFs? Listen, the problem is you keep trying to walk before you crawl. You keep trying to run before you learn how to walk. We want to walk this thing now slowly but surely. We think in long term. One of our biggest issues when it comes to building wealth is we don't think long term, we think in the moment. We comparing ourselves to everybody we see. We about building wealth one share at a time. So now we got that as stability and cash flow. Now we going after growth. So the next ETF we're going to look at is AIQ. Now this one gives us exposure to artificial intelligence and the future of technology. We all know we going there. We can't bypass it. We know exactly where we're going, so we can't run from it. Now, this one gives you access to semiconductors. That's one. Global AI companies. That's two. And infrastructure. That's three. That's the future. Its top companies are Samsung, SK Hynix. These are not on the market, but then you get TSM, you get Cisco, and then you get Netflix. Now think about this. The 1-year performance, 58%. 5-year performance, 70%. Again, this is outperforming some of the best stocks in the game. And so you're investing in the future right here. The goal, 10 shares apiece. Guess what? All of these cost a bag. Guess how much the ETF is? $49. $49. What's the goal? 10 shares. So look what we're going to do. Now, we're going to buy one share of the other one. The next time we buy another share, we buy one share of this one. So now you alternate. So you got dividends and you got growth. And now on your dividends, you're going to DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan. So now the dividend is going to buy you more shares of that ETF. This is affordable. This is powerful. This is consistent. You don't need to be rich to invest, but you got to be investing to get rich. You don't get that overnight. You get that by consistently playing a game, consistently rinse and repeat. You ain't always got to be trying something new. So what if they got a Bentley? So what if they got a Lambo? You just trying to buy back your freedom. So what if they got a big house? So what if they got all the jewelry? You trying to buy back your freedom. You feel behind because you're looking at what they got going on and you like, damn, I don't got none of that. But what you don't realize is they not even free yet. You don't know that for sure. There's a difference between looking like you're free and being free. So if you feel behind, I want you to know you're not by yourself. But staying stuck, that's a choice. And that's the one thing we not doing on this channel. So here's the rules. We know what we're doing. We are one, and I want you to understand this. The system ain't teach us this, but now you know. So what's the first thing we're doing? One, canceling subscriptions and bad financial habits. Two, credit cards. All right? Paying down interest. 3, open up the high yield. You're getting 3 to 5%. 4, we going CDGV, gold 10 shares. 5, AIQ. That's how we build. Rinse and repeat. How we going with a payment? 1 week. 1 week, we pay. 1 week, we go into the high yield. Week 2, we go into credit card. Week 3, we go into ETF. Week 4, we go credit card. Week 5, we go ETF. Week 6, we go high yield. Week 7, we go ETF. Week 8, we go credit card. That's 2 months. We keep rinsing and repeating. We're making progress here. Remember, these ETFs is under $40. You got $40. If we cut out the spending, we cut out the credit card, man, Trap, that's hard. Building wealth ain't supposed to be easy. It only gets easier when it becomes repetitious and when it becomes a habit. Once it becomes a habit, once it becomes repetitious, once it becomes part of your lifestyle, it gets easier because you got to break the old habits in order to enter a new round. So I want you to look at this video, man, time and time again. Rinse and repeat this video time and time again. It don't have to be these stocks. I'm gonna do more of these because people been asking me like, Trap, what's some affordable ETFs? Trap, I'm trying to get out the whole Trap. You gotta get back to helping us, bro. I know you want us to trade, but bro, we gotta build these portfolios. And I'm like, bro, I hear y'all, I'm listening to y'all. Let's get it, y'all. But do me a favor, make sure you share this and make sure you checking out our show, Trapping Tuesday, man. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Salute, I'm gonna see y'all in the trap. Let's go.